Everyone, this is the solution video for the cumulative test number 2, which is on Monday. So the first set of problems you have to deal with are basic solving two-step and multi-step equations. This is where you have a variable on one side and it takes a few steps to get to a final answer. So my suggestion is to make sure you show your work when you do these. And so let's go through these step by step. In this first one, the rule for solving any equation ultimately is to try to get the variable term, that's this part right here, the 4t, try to get that by itself. So I want to get rid of the minus 13. The way I do that is to do the opposite. So I would add 13 to both sides of this thing. This will cancel out the minus 13 and leave 4t behind, equals 57 plus 13, it's going to be 70. And then to finish this, now I just need to get the t by itself, so I'll divide the whole problem by 4. And that will cancel the 4 here and leave me with t equals, and you can divide 70 by 4, you have a calculator to do this, so it's okay to leave a decimal answer if you want, or you can leave it as a mixed fraction. Either way, unless it reduces, in this case it does, but I'm just going to go ahead and leave the decimal answer, 70 divided by 4, which is 17.5. So I would look at number 17 and try to approach it the same way. I want to get rid of the terms that don't have a variable. So this 5 right here, it's a positive 5. So the 2y is a negative here, or minus 2y. But the 5 that I want to get rid of is positive. So I will subtract it away from both sides. That's going to cancel the 5, and it'll leave me with negative 2y. And 15 minus 5 is 10. So again, I'll divide now by negative 2 on both sides, so that the negative and the 2 both cancel, and I'm left with the y by itself, and 10 divided by negative 2 is going to be a negative 5. Alright, so let's look at one where it's slightly different. This time the variable is being divided by 5. But again, the same procedure holds true. I want to make sure that I get the stuff that doesn't have a variable away first. So the minus 6 needs to go away, and I'll do that by adding 6 to both sides. So that will cancel out, and I'll have k over 5 equals 2 plus 6, which is 8. And now in this step, I want to make sure that I get rid of the divided by 5 part, so I do that by multiplying both sides by 5. You undo dividing by multiplying. And the k will be by itself. 8 times 5 would be 40.